Got a train backing up here. Probably someone getting ready. Backing up. Makes that flipping around cars. And where's the power? There's the power. SD60E 8987. Now he's just stopped. That's great. That's a long train. I don't know why he's not pulling over here. Be nice to see. I don't know what he's doing. If he's gonna be backing up again. That's a long line of cars. They would be going with this load. Maybe it's NSH 44. Who knows? I don't know where they're going. Might be the NSH 44 going up and backing out. I don't know. Their train is massive, I bet you. Whoopsies. There we go. Now they're slowing down. There we go. Now it stopped again. Now we finally got action after like a little 10 minutes. At least. I'm not gonna record everything because you know what the front looks like. There's a BNSF hopper. It's been like 2 minutes already, and he's already at the beginning of those couple hoppers in the front. Engine should be pretty close. I have no clue. What is that guy doing? What is this guy doing? He was just doing U-turns. He's doing donuts. Sorry about that, I got weed over there. See, I got a weed. Oh, there he is. The engines. Finally, you can see the lead engine. Seriously, 7030. Wait, who's that? 61, 41, 7021. Oh, come on. 4 engines. I thought he had. Man, I wish he had high hood. Man. Here comes a train. single leader. I don't know where he's gonna go. Hopefully over here. No. He must have dropped off the 2 engines. 7021 and 7041. Huh. Dropped off 2 engines. That's weird. He's backing up. Where's the engine? Can really hear him. I don't know why they don't come over this way and back in. Gotta go up the little branch line. 6141 and 7021. At the 7021 and the 6141 too. Light power now. Doing some yard switching. Okay, we got 200 coming. P5. Seriously, again, SC60 East, how dare you? I'm gonna wait till the gates go. Okay, gates are gone. There goes 200 with an awesome P5 horn show. Gates are malfunctioning for zero reason. You see that? The gates are down. Nothing's coming. Nothing. Nothing. Took a long time for them to go back up.